Hey everyone, it's Cam Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with another entry for the Pocket Challenge, and I believe this is entry number 22, and it's from the lovely Debbie Harris. Hey Debbie, and I had actually filmed this halfway yesterday, and we had a storm going on at the time, and my electricity went out, so I'm refilming it today. And our electricity was out for hours yesterday, so that was not fun. But anyway, it's back now, so I'm going to share with you what Debbie sent, and she made this beautiful card, as you can see right here. It's just beautiful, and I will read you what it says. Hi Kim, thank you for hosting this challenge. I've made paper and fabric pockets for you because I couldn't decide which one to do. I hear you on that. Hope you can find use for them. Well, I'm sure I can, Debbie. Kind regards, Debbie Harris, and her YouTube channel is CraftyStuff, so I'm going to have the link to that in the description box below, so you can go over and check out her channel and see what this talented lady does over there on her channel. And she wrapped them in this beautiful gold, it's like crepe paper. I just love this. This is very cool stuff. I love it. And then she's used this very pretty washi tape as well. So let me open the first one here, and these are just gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at these. So these are her paper ones. We'll look at this one first. Look how pretty. So she's used tea-dyed paper, and she's sewn all the way around. And this one's got lots of pretty hearts on it, and beautiful. Look at this beautiful lace here, this beautiful crocheted lace, and then a embroidered lace here. And then she's gathered some here under this heart, and then she's layered up this heart, excuse me, and it looks like she's gone around the edges with some gold. And then she's cut out some smaller hearts here and done the same thing. Love that. And then she's layered up a heart here at the top to sort of mimic what she's done here at the bottom. And then she's used this cute little crochet trim on the edge and more of that beautiful embroidered lace here at the top. So there is that pocket. Look at how pretty that is. I love the hearts, Debbie. So pretty. Oh, wow. And then this one, she's done a heart again with a butterfly, a couple of hearts, and she's put some eyelash trim back here too. And look at the beautiful bird here that she's fussy cut, and she's got some die cut leaves and a beautiful rose here. And then she's done some, this feels like parchment paper back here, and again she's gone around it in gold. It's really pretty how she's done that. And some more of that pretty little crocheted trim there, and then on the flap as well, and more tea-dyed paper. I love that you use tea-dyed paper. That is really cool. So there's the two paper pockets. Look how gorgeous they are. Really, really pretty. So thank you so much for those, Debbie. Those are beautiful. And then these ones must be the fabric ones. And again, she's wrapped it in this very cool crepe paper. I've got to find a use for that for sure. I love it. Really, really like that. Oh my gosh, look at these. Wow. Oh, absolutely stunning. Look at this. I think I can tell that you like beiges and golds and creams and whites, Debbie. So she's used this beautiful fabric. It's got little leaves on it. And again, she's sewn all around it. And then she's added this gorgeous lace for the top piece. And she's made the flap of the envelope here into a point, and then she's added this little floral trim all the way along with flat back pearls in like a, I want to say it's almost gold and white, and then a little heart here at the top, and then she's got more lace here at the bottom, this beautiful lace, and then more of the flowered lace. It's just gorgeous. I love how you've done that, and she's got some card in there just to keep it stiff. Look how beautiful that is. It's absolutely stunning. Really beautiful. Look at that beautiful lace. I love it, Debbie. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. I love these colors of flatback pearls. They're just beautiful. And oh my goodness, look at this one. With all the crocheted trims. Look at how beautiful that is. So vintage. So this is like a tan sort of linen fabric that she's used. And again, she's sewn all around it. And then she's just used so many different trims on here. This piece here that she's used at the top is a crocheted trim, and she's put that over the top there. So you can see, I'm sure it's vintage. And I love how you frayed the edge of the fabric there to make it look like a little fringe. I love how you did that. And then she's got a small crocheted trim here. And then here, she's got this beautiful crocheted trim, and then she's layered several different pieces here. You can see on the edges she's got like an embroidered trim, and then like an eyelet almost here, and then more crocheted trim here and here, and then she's got this beautiful like crocheted doily piece almost, but that looks vintage for sure. And then she's got a couple of little flower appliques and some bling in the center of the flowers. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, Debbie, it's just beautiful. I love these. They're just gorgeous. Thank you so much. Look at how beautiful these all are. Absolutely stunning. I love these, Debbie. These are going to be such a beautiful addition to a journal. Oh, I love them. And here's the two paper ones again. So please go over and check out Debbie's channel. You'll find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much, Debbie, for entering my challenge. Your work is just beautiful. And her YouTube channel, again, is CraftyStuff. So please go over and check that out, guys. And I'll be back with another video shortly. Thanks, everyone. Bye.